So this problem is talking about parabolas, and there's a lot of things we want to think about when it comes to parabolas. And in this case, especially looking at the answer choices, we can see that our ability to identify roots by factoring or by identifying vertex by knowing vertex form, because that's what D is in the form of, and so is C, to a certain degree, not really, to properly identify the answer to this one. So they're asking which is an equivalent form of the equation of the graph shown in the xy plane above, from which the coordinates of vertex A can be identified as constants. So if we're looking for the vertex, though one of these two factored forms does match the equations, because here's the equation of this parabola. If we factor that into our roots, we can see that the roots here, or the x-intercepts, are -3 and +5, which means that it's actually A. So this B does not match this parabola. A actually matches this parabola, and C is in a form that's useless to us. But now it's between A and D. Because they're asking for the vertex, remember, this doesn't tell us what the vertex is. This form here, though it is the same exact equation as here, just in a different format, it only tells us where the intersections are. D is in vertex form, and if we remember what vertex form is, it's y equals A outside of x minus h squared plus k, where h and k, I should have done that in capitals like I normally would do, but I'll keep rolling with the lowers. All right, that is your vertex coordinates, right? Your xy coordinates for your vertex. And we see that the only one that's really doing that is D. So this is more like a vocab question, where can you see what they mean by constants? What does that mean? This is where the vertex is always going to be present no matter what your input or output is.